What's the difference in terms of recruitment processes for biotech and pharma? This is a question that I get asked almost on a daily basis, and rightly so, because it can inform on your and should inform your job searching strategies. So large organizations go through much more structured processes. They usually post the jobs online and they set up the criteria and all the documents that they want to receive, your CV. You need to often answer specific questions, maybe send a cover letter. Sometimes it's required, sometimes not. The talent acquisition team within a company will review the applications. They may use softwares and AI in order to rank all the candidacies, and they will contact the people in the in the short list that they want to have a conversation with. For biotech startups, the situation is different. They may want to use job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn. You will find some positions there. So they do use that channel, that's true. But at the same time, many applications, and that can change depending on the seniority, the type of function, the circumstances in which the company is looking to expand their teams, like fundings, milestone that they need to reach, if they are still in stealth mode or not. In those circumstances, basically, they will heavily rely on their own network. So if, for example, they are close to a scientific hub like Oxford with a university and, of course, all the other biotechs that are located there. But in this sector, they also heavily use headhunters, which is basically recruiters that don't post necessarily the positions out there. You won't find them necessarily on LinkedIn, on job boards, but they will, in the background, look for the right people depending on, for example, past companies where you worked at, university degrees and institutions. If you've done a PhD on a specific topic, the techniques that you have already used, all the information that they can find, and they will find them on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the main tool in order to do that. There is a software called LinkedIn Recruiter, which is one of the options that LinkedIn offer to recruiters to do this kind of activities. So the first step for recruiters is to find the right people, go and contact them, set up a conversation and exploratory conversation to understand the background of the person on the other side, and again to explore their experience and if they may be a good fit. For example, I talked to people that had all the information just on their CV, and they told me, well, if a recruiter wants to speak with me, they will get in touch and I can share all the information, I can share the CV even. But this won't be the case. Like, the recruiter won't get in contact with you if they are not sure that there is a strong possibility that you are already a good fit. So let me leave you a tip. If you are job searching for the biotech space and you're struggling to find opportunities, don't focus too much on reviewing your CV and writing, so many different copies. Focus on your LinkedIn. That's the main tool. That's the tool to attract the interest and invite basically recruiters and hiring managers to have a chat with you. And then you can, of course, send a revised CV. But that's the second step. When they already had a conversation with you, they already know that they're interested in potentially putting you in the hiring process. Hope it helps.